All right, so let's say I want to keep my iPhone always locked in the portrait orientation and prevent the screen from rotating. But there's one app where I actually do want the screen to rotate, and I don't want to always manually toggle orientation lock off. We can set up an automation that automatically turns orientation lock off when I'm in that particular app, and then puts it back on when I leave the app. We're going to set this up in Shortcuts. If you're not familiar, just search for Shortcuts. It's a native iOS app and comes with every iPhone. Once you're in the Shortcuts app, you'll go to the Automation tab, which is in the middle on the bottom of your screen. Then, you'll tap the plus icon to create a new automation. For the trigger for this automation, we'll scroll down the list and find the App option. Then you can choose the app that triggers this automation. It can be any app you have installed, and I'm going to use something like Safari here to demonstrate this. We'll leave the checkmark for the option to run this automation when the app is opened, and on the bottom, we'll change the setting to Run Immediately. Next, we'll need to determine what exactly happens when your app is opened. You can use the search and look for Set Orientation Lock. We'll use that option, and then we'll change a couple of things. Mine says Toggle Orientation Lock by default. I can switch the toggle option to Turn, and then instead of On, I'll tell my phone to turn Orientation Lock off when this app is launched. And that's it. Now, when I'm using my phone normally, I can keep my orientation locked the way I like it. But when I open Safari, or any app you choose to use, you'll see how Orientation Lock automatically got turned off, allowing me to turn my phone and have the display rotate with it. Now, the one thing you'll notice that when I leave the app, the Orientation Lock setting does not go back to normal. That's because we'll need another automation to tell the phone to turn it back on when leaving the app. So, I'll go back to Shortcuts and then use the plus icon to create a new automation. Once again, we'll choose the App option, and then assign the app that this automation is linked to. Now, the important part is that instead of is opened, we'll change that to is closed, meaning the automation happens when you close the app. Also, make sure to uncheck the first option. We'll only want this to apply to closing the app. We'll want this to run immediately, and on the next page, we'll use the same action for setting the orientation lock. Except this time, we'll tell the phone to turn it on instead of off. And that's it. I'm going to delete that old automation on the bottom. It's unrelated to what we're doing here today. And now I can keep my orientation always locked, I can hop in Safari and have it automatically turn off and allow me to rotate my display. And when I leave Safari, it'll automatically go back on. Almost like magic. Click that like button if this helped, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more cool guides like this.